Hi, it's Theresa Wellman here with HomeownerExperience.com, and I want to welcome you into my broker tour today. So what is broker tour? Have you ever been driving around and noticed that there are open house signs out on a weekday morning? If you're in San Jose, South San Jose area, they are Wednesday morning. You will see broker tour signs just like this one that I'm showing here. So why would you do that? Why, as a seller, would you do broker tour? Well, really what it is an open house for agents. And it's a great opportunity for those agents who are really active to get in to see your property. They might be hosting open houses on Saturday and Sunday and are juggling multiple clients at different appointments. So it's a time that a lot of agents dedicate to going out to see the new inventory. Especially those active agents. You know, amazingly, agents who don't do a lot of business for some reason don't get out there, and I'm surprised they don't do broker tour because it's a great way to see the new inventory, meet other agents in the area, and ask a lot of questions to educate yourself on each property. So that's the other benefit for you as a seller, is your agent will be there to answer any direct questions that they might have. So when other agents representing buyers come through and do a private showing of your property, they have a lot of those answers and a really good feel for your property. So sellers, it's really to your advantage, as if you think about it, each agent potentially represents 5, 6 or more buyers. And a regular weekend open house, it's mostly buyers coming through that are just representing themselves. So broker tour is like more bang for your buck, so I highly recommend it. Again, this is Theresa Wellman with HomeownerExperience.com, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or check out my website for some more videos.